How to block ads on Android. Firstly, open Settings on your Android device, then select Connection and Sharing option. Now on this page, you need to select Private DNS option. Once it opens, you need to switch the Off button to specify DNS option. And then you will see DNS address. If you don't see, then you can simply type in dns.adguard.com. And once you type in, you need to select the Save button. And once you have done that, this will essentially filter and block all the ads on your Android device while you are browsing. So that is one of the way to block website ads on any Android device. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.